Welcome to our channel Ma Chinnabadi. Please share, like and subscribe this channel and give your valuable support to us. Press on bell button to get notifications. Production and employment. Changes in the importance of sectors. We will learn one important thing, that is, initially all developed countries are totally based on agricultural sector and allied sectors. The most contributor of GDP was primary sector. What was the most contributor of the GDP? That is primary sector. There are three stages. There are three stages in this process. Stage 1. When the method of farming was changed, then agriculture sector began to prosper. Later, it started to producing more food than before. Later, it started to producing more food than before. That's why gradually there are placed increasing in number of craft persons and traders. Increasing in number of craft persons and traders. Due to increase of traders, buying and selling activities are increased. This leads to increasing demand for goods and services. In this stage, most of goods were produced from agricultural sector. Most people were also employed in this sector. Stage 2. As new methods of manufacturing were introduced, slowly factories came up and started to expanding. In this view, those people who had earliest worked in farms are now begin to work in factories in large numbers. There was a mass and a huge production at very lower rates, and these goods reached markets all over the world. For this country's industrial production gradually became the most important sector, both in the what are the both total production of goods and services, and also employment for the people. Those are services and also employment for the people. Hence, over time a shift took place. Over time a shift took place. That means the importance of sectors was again changed. The importance of sectors again changed. Later, this industrial sector became the dominant sector. Later, this industrial sector, that means second sector, became the dominant sector. And in another side, the importance of agriculture sector was declined in shapes of production and employment also. Stage 3. In the past 50 years, there has been a further shift from industrial sector to service sector, in majorly possible in developed countries. The service sector has become the most important in terms of total production and employment. What are those? Total production and employment. Most of the working people have also shifted and are now employed in the service sector, and most of the production activities are those of services and not manufactured goods. This is the general pattern observed in for developed countries. It is a similar pattern observed for India also.